Proofreading is a valuable skill that can help you earn money by offering your services as a full-time employee or a freelancer on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. In this guide, we will explore how to establish the necessary skills, how to make money proofreading, and how much you can make. Hello, and welcome to the Money Express channel, where we talk about all things money and making more of it. The demand for proofreading services is growing due to the continuous rise of digital content, which increases the amount of written material that needs to be reviewed and corrected. Essential skills and education. Although some proofreaders hold a bachelor's degree in English or journalism, it is not always required. Graduates in other disciplines can also succeed as proofreaders by demonstrating their understanding of written language. Employers frequently require candidates to take a proofreading test to show competency. Certain proofreading positions may call for an advanced degree and/or experience in a particular industry, such as law for proofreading legal documents. Proofreaders should have excellent English skills, be detail-oriented, and possess a strong grasp of grammar and punctuation. They should also be able to spot errors in written material and have good communication skills. Tools and techniques. There are several proofreading tools available for proofreaders and editors, such as Perfectit, MyBib, Capitalize My Title, Pro Writing Aid, Grammarly, and Macros. These tools can help you find grammatical errors, spelling errors, and improve your editing speed. Effective proofreading techniques include reading the text aloud to check how it sounds on paper and double-checking writing features such as spelling, verb tenses, preposition use, proper names, punctuation, citation, font, page numbers, and header/footer material. Another technique is reading the text backward, as the brain sometimes has an autocorrect function that doesn't let you see errors, especially misspellings. Earning potential. Proofreaders earn a mean hourly wage of $21.48, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Industries with the highest levels of employment of proofreaders include newspaper, periodical, book, and directory publishers, scientific and technical services, business support services, employment services, and advertising and public relation firms. Building your proofreading business. To start making money proofreading, you can create a profile on freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr and offer your services. Additionally, you can reach out to potential clients directly, network with other professionals in your niche, and promote your services through social media and other online channels. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you can increase your rates and expand your client base. By specializing in a particular niche or industry, you can further enhance your earning potential and establish yourself as an expert in that field. In conclusion, proofreading can be a lucrative and flexible career option for those with the right skills and dedication. By honing your skills, leveraging available tools and techniques, and marketing your services effectively, you can make money proofreading and enjoy a rewarding career in this growing field. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.